Hey, this is Steve Demick again. Just back here to do a little demo of what we've been doing here. We've been working on, as a reminder, we've been working on architecture that looks like this. Got a front end uses Vue and JavaScript on Node. Got a back end that uses FastAPI, Python FastAPI, Bonobo for ETL processing. Uses Google APIs to scrape the Google um, public data API and uses pandas as internal representation. Uses Docker Compose to put the two together, and we're going to go through all these steps to show you how it actually runs. So first off, we're going to use Docker Compose to build and deploy both of the containers. So we're going to go over here to our terminal, which is, gee, I can't find it, but yes, there it is. All right, you can see Docker PS, we've got nothing running. We're going to use Docker Compose to build it. This developer key I pass in as an environment variable, so it's not in the image itself. All right. It's not in the Docker file, so it is actually in the image. So you wouldn't want to use this if you were deploying it to a public repository. You'd want to use a vault or some other mechanism, because passing it as an environment variable is actually, it does place it in the image. It's just not in the code. So when I didn't want it going up to Git is basically essentially what I'm saying here. So it's building the back end right now. See Bonobo, it's doing the pip install. Now it's building the front end here. It's doing all the npm stuff that it is required to build the front end. Shortly it's going to finish, and we're going to be able to bring it up. Yes, exporting the image. It's built. We're going to do a Docker Compose up. It's going to run here. So it's running. All right, everything's up and running. I'm going to go back to our browser. All right. We're going to go over to the Vue app. We're going to show it's running on localhost port 5173. We're going to connect to that. We're going to do a search, and I'm just going to say, well, I'm into World War II and tanks and all that kind of stuff, and I like the Chieftain. So we're going to go, let's say, Sherman tanks. So we're going to say maybe Chieftain. And we're going to see what actual channels it recommends for me. So we're going to try this. Hit it. It's going to go off. That does take kind of a little while to run, because it grabs, about 500 search results from YouTube, and then it processes those, so you see it finishes. It's pretty quick for what it's doing, because it uses the ETL and parallelization. You can see it gives you information about, the results it found, so you can see, like, for the number of videos, who's got the most videos. Forgotten Weapons, she has the most videos. Okay, looks like. Number of subscribers, and Forgotten Weapons has that too. That's a good channel. And it shows you the sentiment analysis, who's got the most positive. Chieftain's fairly low, which is surprising. I like the Chieftain a lot. And the relevance, so that's how closely the description of the channel matches your query string. And you can see that the Chieftain's pretty high because I entered that. And we can see all the search results over here. It's got, the title of the channel, and then it's got a URL, so you can click on it. You go to the URL, and it'll show you Dinkless Morant, Chieftain, etc. And let's see, that's all I really got for this. Just wanted to do a quick demo so you can see kind of what it does and how it operates. It's kind of cool how it works, everything together. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to stop the video. And thank you very much.